Out there. Who do you got there? Who is it? Is that Pierre, your parrot? Touch his feet. Can you touch his feet? Where are his feet? Can you touch his feet? Touch his feet with your finger. Touch his feet again. Just his feet. Can you touch his feet? Touch his feet. Where are his feet? Whoop. Let me get him back. There he is. No, right here. Watch. He'll come back. Okay, watch. Here he comes. There he is. Do you like him? Do you like him? Did he just shoot at you? Did he? Can you throw a tomato at him? Where's a tomato? Do you see the tomato? Can you throw a tomato at him? Touch the tomato.
Did he just shoot at you?
Oh. Not that one. Where's the tomato? Down here. Do you see the tomato? There you did.
There you did.
Say, hello, Yvonne. Oh, you hit him. I think you better give him a break from the tomatoes, huh? Is he silly?